Hello everyone, it is a science experiment time again. But first, let's take a look at this. Well, we are finally here. The hotel is just over there. We have come a long way, travel very long distances. So I'm sure you are very excited to stay in the hotel tonight and eat the hotel buffet.
Yes, I am. Yes, yeah.
But we have a problem here.
What is it?
We need to get across the water, and all of us don't know how to swim. My mama didn't teach me swimming when I was young.
I also didn't learn how to swim.
Oh, okay. So, how do we get them across the water safely? You know, the water is very deep, and they all don't know how to swim. You can see how deep is the water. Ooh, it's very deep. Okay, so do you think there's a way to bring them across the water safely? Okay, actually, there's a way. I have a bottle here, a container. I have a container here. Okay, it's actually a bottle, but I cut it off. Okay, this container will help them to move across the water safely and also protect them from the water. Okay, first, put them inside the container. Okay, I will put a piece of paper inside. I'm going to put this container all the way into the water. Okay, I'm going to move the container across the bottom. Okay, to the other side. Okay, now, do you think the water will get into the container and wet the paper? If so, they will be in danger because they will drown. Or do you think the paper will stay dry? We will see. Okay, let's check the paper whether it is wet or dry. You see, the paper is totally dry. The paper is dry. So that means what? Water didn't get into this container. And so our friends, they have finally safely arrived at the hotel. Oh yeah. Okay, let's sit them properly. Ta-da! Okay, now, how is that possible? What is the science behind this? Why did water not go into this container? Okay, actually, there's a reason. It is because there's air inside the container. That's why water cannot go inside the container. You know, the air actually occupies the space inside this container. So when the air is inside, water cannot go in. And that is why this paper stays dry throughout. Okay, you know, it may seem like a miracle that this happened, but actually it is pure science, you know. Remember this, only God can create miracles. And you know what, this experiment actually reminds me of a miracle in the Bible, the crossing of the river Jordan. Okay, Auntie Andrea later, she will tell you more about that story in the Bible. So, and this is all for our experiment today. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you another time. Thank you and bye bye.